welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating more of my home. I will be working on my family room, mantel and coffee table, as well as few more things, and I cannot wait to take you along with me. I'm doing quite a few decorate with me's, and if you have missed some, I will link the playlist at the end of the video for you to check it out. Before we get fully into decorating, I just want to mention that this video is part of a Hop Around the House collab that is hosted by my good friend Nicole here on YouTube from Nicole North Garden Home and Garden. This is a hop, so I will have the next channel for you to hop on over linked in my description box, as well as Nicole's channel. So make sure you hop on over to the next channel in the hop, and there she will also have a link for you to hop on over next, and eventually you will make a full circle back to me. Tons of decor inspirations coming your way. We are starting here on my mantle, and I have taken everything off and will be adding this DIY wreath as well as some of my DIY signs that I have created over on my DIY channel. I love how my signs look this year and how rustic they feel, which goes with a lot of my decorating in my home that I'm doing this year as well. I knew I wanted to incorporate these signs as well as tons of pumpkin and some maybe fall foliage, but I did struggle a little bit as usual on how exactly I wanted this to look. You will see me moving stuff around, placing different pumpkins, and just playing around until I reach the look that I'm looking for. This is very typical of me. If you've been following along, I do this quite often. It takes me a little while to get the look that I go for. I have an idea, but maybe not necessarily a full-blown plan on how I want things to go. So that's why I play around with it and eventually reach the point that I like. And if you're not following along, I think you should. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family over here on my home channel. Most of my decor are DIYs that I've created and a lot of thrifted items. So my look might be a little bit different than some because typically the things that I use to decorate aren't something that you can always find in a store, but they might look like something you find in a store because I have duped it over on my DIY channel. So like I said, if you're not following along, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So over here on my mantle, I'm just gonna go over a couple things where they came from. The lantern was from HomeSense. The window I picked up off of Kijiji, and then the rest of the stuff, most of the pumpkins were thrifted. Some did come from Dollar Tree, and then the big vase was an upcycled Michael's find, and the little urn that's beside the lantern is from I have no idea actually where it's from. I've had it for many years, but it used to have a lid which broke, and then I just upcycled it recently. Just wanted to give it a bit of a different look. You can find all of these DIYs over on my DIY channel, which is linked in the description box. And in my opinion, there's no decor without a fall candle, and here it is all finished up, and I absolutely love the way it looks. Next, I'm going to be working on my TV unit. This is also an upcycled piece of furniture that I recently did, and I love the way it turned out. And this is the first time for this fall season that I'm actually having these shelves to decorate. The last one that I had didn't have any shelves, so I'm quite excited to be adding some decor over here as well. I have to be very selective of the materials that I'm placing on these shelves, because if I were to place a pumpkin that's out of styrofoam, it would be gone very, very fast. I did venture out and actually did place a couple of them into the little crate that's over there, and I'm hoping that my dogs, well, it's only one that takes all my decor and decides to chew it, will not be reaching for it because it is in a crate. I've had it up now for a couple days and he hasn't attempted to take any of the pumpkins out, so I'm hoping that it stays that way. And on top, my husband doesn't want anything on top, but I did sneak in this candle and a little pumpkin. And over here above the TV, I just have a floating shelf from IKEA, and a couple items stay there all the time, and I swapped up the other ones with just a couple of the fall decor items that I have. Also, a couple days before, I dressed up this chair with some cozy blanket and a fall pillow. I'm not adding too many pillows into my family room other than the ones that are already there, because we use this all the time and they become more of a nuisance for my husband than to actually is worth having as decor. I might add them if I have company coming or something like that, just for the look, but on daily basis I don't usually have too many pillows on these couches, just the ones that did come with the couches. Now I moved on to decorating my coffee table, and I always use a tray because it's very easy to move without disturbing too much decor. I also don't want anything too tall over here because it will block my view of the TV if we're sitting down and watching it. I just want to say that at the end of the video, when I do my little tour of the room, I will include a tier tray that I have decorated at the separate video. So make sure, if you want to see how I have decorated my tier tray, you head on over to that video or to the playlist that will be linked in the description box at the end.
let you down. And I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song. Tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
I love how rustic and simple this tray ended up looking. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's fall decorate with me video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Don't forget to press that like button, as well as don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And don't forget to hop on over to the next channel that I have included in the description box. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.
So many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry. Think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry? 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 What if I said I'm sorry?